Welcome fellow traders. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I encourage you to click subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I release new content. That way, you will always be in the loop and never miss out on any valuable trading tips and tutorials. Alright, enough waiting, let's jump right into today's exciting video. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to fine-tune and speed up your MetaTrader platform. For this purpose, click on Tools, then open Options, disable News and max bar in charts 500 and max bar in history it is also 500 and click OK. In this way, your MetaTrader platform is now speed up. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.